Understanding the phrase, open up the floor, English Idioms Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're diving into a very interesting expression, open up the floor. This phrase is commonly used in meetings, discussions, and even informal conversations. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday English. Open up the floor is a phrase used to indicate that a discussion is being opened to a wider group. Imagine a room where one person is speaking, and then they decide to invite others to speak or contribute. This phrase metaphorically refers to giving others the chance to stand on the floor or spotlight to express their thoughts or opinions. It's often used in formal settings like meetings or debates, but can also be found in casual conversations. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can often help us grasp their meaning better. The phrase, open up the floor, likely comes from parliamentary or formal meeting settings. Traditionally, in such settings, a person stands on the floor of the house or meeting room to speak. By opening up the floor, it meant allowing others the opportunity to stand and speak. Over time, this phrase has evolved into a more metaphorical use in everyday language. To help you understand how to use open up the floor, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, after the presentation, we'll open up the floor for questions. 2. In a classroom, I've shared my thoughts on the novel. Now, I'd like to open up the floor for your interpretations. 3. In everyday conversation, we've been discussing where to go for dinner, but let's open up the floor and see what everyone else thinks. When using open up the floor, remember it's typically used in contexts where group discussion or input is appropriate. Avoid using it in situations where a decision has already been made or when no further discussion is needed. And there you have it. Open up the floor is a great phrase to use when you want to encourage group participation and discussion. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the richness of the English language.